Hey guys, this is all about your second appointments, your Glamour appointments. I'm going to teach you a couple quick tips and what to go over. First of all, we need to make sure we have the right closing sheet. When you're doing a second appointment, whether it's a party or a facial, you want to make sure you have the right tools at hand. So let me pull up our closing sheet with this. And again, we're going to be using our, I love this sheet. We're going to be using our Up Your Glamour Game closing sheet. So if you don't have this, this is on our Facebook page. It's also included in the new consultant packets, but I will share with you there is a back side that looks like this that gives you amazing recommendations. You'll notice that in your kit has the color cards. You're going to get like 5 or 10 of each. These are the colors that are included. Again, we want to work smart with strategy. So these are the colors that are there. And then as you get more advanced with your colors, you're going to be playing and learning about these amazing options. And then of course we have eye palettes, our bronzing and contouring, and so much more. But this just helps you be confident right out of the gate to recommend. So if someone says, oh my gosh, I absolutely love that brown eye look, but I'm just not a fan of like the lipstick or the moss eyeshadow or the emerald noir or something, you can say, well, let's look at a couple other colors, that may work, because you want to show them some color combinations that go together. So we sell sets. Very important. So, all right, so let's go to our front portion of this. And so what sets will you be using for this party? You're going to use your Miracle Set 3D. Now, you could use a different skincare set if they requested it. Okay, or if you wanted to try them on a different skincare set, maybe the Repair, maybe the Naturals, that's okay, but one skincare set. So you're either using the Miracle Set, Botanicals, Repair, something like that, but you're definitely doing one skincare set. Then you're going to pick your Glamour Focus. So for many of you, that's going to be set C and set K, because that's going to be what makes up your color cards. So your set C is your complete color palette. It's 3 eyeshadows, a cheek color, and then it has a lipstick and a mascara and eyeliner recommendations. But all that color is on your kit, is on your color card kit, right? So it takes the work, having to have all these demos right out of the way for you, makes it easy. The only thing you're going to have to add is eyeliner samples, and then wands for your mascara, right? You have everything else that comes in your kit. Perfect, right? You're also going to add in your foundation set. So if you don't have foundations to demo yet, it's not the end of the world. Still stick with your CC creams, okay? And then of course you could get a foundation or two and have them try that so they can feel what it's like. You may, and again, this is speaking from a new consultant perspective, the more you hit 600 when you're new, you earn another free bonus bundle. Just a professional recommendation. Earn your foundations to demo for free, okay? If you're not new, guess what? Go get a new recruit, because you're gonna earn $50 and when they become Great Start qualified. And you're also gonna earn a free bundle of product. Right? When you recruit somebody and they come on board and they get their free product bundle, when they hit 600, you're going to get some amazing benefits too. You're going to get the cash, but when you hit your red jacket, you get another $100, right? So go out and get a recruit or two and use that bonus to buy your foundations that you can have on hand to demo. Okay. Or again, you have a foundation selector in your kit. You can match them up that way, but still have them try the CC creams in place of that tonight at the party. Just kind of giving you some ideas there, okay? But those are gonna be your basic sets. So you're gonna have set A, your skincare set, your set C, which is your color card, set K, which is still your color card, but you're adding in your mascara, your eye makeup remover, and an eyeliner sample, and then set I, which is your foundation set. And the one thing you may not have that you wanna add to your party for this too is the primer, because that's not in your starter kit. But again, if you don't have it, of course you can just talk about it and the benefits of it. Now, the key thing about this party is, I always offer that at every party, this is their first of many Mary Kay appointments, right? They get at least 2 additional free more appointments with me. And I want that to become like what you say, that they get at least 2 more additional free appointments with you. Okay, and they get to choose, is it spa or is it glamour? And so I always like to highlight a spa class, and I always like to highlight a glamour class at each of my parties. So one of my personal favorites is the Wow Brow Bundle. So I'm not going to demo the whole Wow Brow Bundle, but I may have the brow tints at my party. And at the end, I may have them sit out that they can try them. And you'll see kind of like what I say to tease them about that, okay? Or maybe I really like the Luscious Lips Bundle. Okay, and you know, they get to try an extra couple lipsticks or something I might have out. But I'm always talking about the next thing that I want to learn and train on. And notice I get my ideas right from this close sheet. Because again, everything is about strategy. Okay. All right. So a couple of other tips about doing your glamour party. How do the eye colors go on? Let me give you some strategy. Okay. So first of all, if you are really like not a big eyeshadow girl, let me teach you the easiest method. Okay. It's very simple. It's going to be the darkest color on the outside, medium color in the middle, lightest color on the inside. And you're going to do vertical stripes. Okay. Darkest color, medium color, lightest color. Blend back and forth. That is probably my #1 method I teach at my parties because most women are intimidated by color too. Okay. Your blush is going to go 2 fingers away from your cheek, from your nose, and I often have them apply it with an eyeshadow applicator and then blend with their fingers or with the foundation brush. And I teach them that applicators are like, we're very germophobic in Mary Kay. We want to keep everything sanitary, but that I like a smaller applicator to apply it or a smaller brush to apply it because when I'm teaching them where to go, we're not getting a big amount of blush. We're getting a nice little area that we blend and fade. Okay. Eyeliner, I use the eyeliner samples. I'm going to teach them to go right on the lash line, but I also teach them that their darkest eyeshadow color could double as their eyeliner. So if you're out of eyeliner samples, that's another pro tip, okay? You're going to put that on the tip of your eyeshadow applicator and just like, we call it grunge liner, and you're just going to like smudge that right along your lash line, okay? Lipstick, I always have them use an applicator to apply the lipstick. You may want to have an extra gloss just to have them put over top to change it up. My favorite gloss to demo is Fancy Nancy or Beach Bronze. Okay, so if you have one of those, you can add that in because some people like a little lipstick with gloss. Some people prefer one versus the other. You're just kind of giving them some fun little options to try. Okay, now if you want more advanced eye look, I want you to follow the paint by number instructions that are in the card, right? Where you're going to apply like color #1, which is your lightest color here, and you're going to do like a mid-tone in the crease, and then you're going to kind of do like a accent color up at the top right corner. Okay, so follow the paint by number instructions. That's another option. Well, maybe you're teaching a group of women who want to play in color, but they're like 2 shadows max, right? So then you're going to take the lightest 2 colors and you're going to do the darkest color on the base of the eye with the lightest color in the crease, working your way up to the brow. So there's 3 different quick options, okay, that depending on your confidence, your skill, and the group that you have, you can teach them. Pick one of those 3 eyeshadow options to teach them the color card. Do you have to do eyeliner samples? No, you could use the darkest color for the eyeliner, especially with that last method with the 2 lighter colors on the eye, okay? Blush, keep it simple. Like I said, 2 fingers away from the nose. You're going to massage that in, okay? Lips we finish with first. And so a couple other things I like to add in. I want to go back to that closing sheet. Okay, again, we always want to be working based on strategy. And so this close sheet is very important because I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can really see this. Our MK Glam bar here at the bottom. So I always demo finishing spray at my glamour parties, and I always demo our blending brush. You can talk about eye primer, you can try it. You can talk about oil mattifier, you can try it. I'll give you a quick little tips for those too. But you want to make sure you're trying at least one of those things during your party because that's the incentive that they can earn it for half price or for free. Okay, and your hostess, look at the I love it here on the left, you want her to use a brush set. Ideally, every consultant, we get them at least 2 brush sets, one for them to have to use personally and one to demo, because you want your hostess to feel a little special, and that way she can actually use the brushes to apply the colors. Okay, and it makes it super simple. Your all over eye color is going to be the brush that you use for all over the eye. Right? That makes sense. And then your crease brush is going to be for the color that you put right in the crease. And then the one that's like your blending brush, it's kind of like angled, that's what you're going to use to blend all the colors together. So that's a quick little tutorial. So you feel confident on how to use that brush set, especially with the eye makeup. Now again, the specials, they can pick the colors and everything out, but this is why we focus on this. We know what's a demo, so we try to sell sets, and so that you can increase your sales, but still give your customers a really great discount. So when they purchase any 6 sets, they will get our Essential Brush Collection for free. If they purchase any 4 sets, then they get one of our Mary Kay Glam Bar items for free. And if they purchase any 2 sets, they get one of our Mary Kay Glam Bar items at half price, okay? So let me give you a quick little rundown, okay? So we do skincare, right? Okay, we do the foundation or CC cream. I then pass out my color cards. I like to do cheeks and lips first, and then finish with eyes, because that's when I have the most instruction, okay? And then we do finishing spray. And then what I'll do is I do a hand facial. I'll take them back to the hand facial. Well, we'll do a cleanser real quick, wipe it off, do the day cream, the primer, and the foundation or the CC cream. And then I have them put CC cream on the other hand to notice the difference, because I want to bring them back to skincare. Because yes, while I want to sell Glamour, I also want to build a customer base of skincare customers. That's important. That's where you get the biggest bang from this Mary Kay business. So that way they can see the difference, how it looks, how it feels, okay? And they'll notice that the same makeup looks good, but it looks a lot better on healthier skin that's taken care of with our amazing skincare product lines, okay? At that point, that is when I say, guys, I want to share with you the company specials. So let me pass these out for you. And by having that phrase, the company specials, it takes the pressure off you that like you're in charge, like you can wheel and deal. Because while yes, you can, you don't want to. These are the specials. This is what you're offering. That's that, okay? We pass out the special sheets to everyone. Everyone gets one of those Glamour clothes sheets. And I'm going to go through each of the sets. I'm going to highlight the skincare we tried. I'm going to highlight the colors that we tried, the color set and the finishing set, the foundation set. And then I'm going to say, and down there in the Glam Bar, we tried the finishing spray. Some of you got to try the blending brush. And so let me just tell you, our hostess today got to try the brush set. What'd you think? How was the Essential Brush Collection? You know, and get her feedback. Well, how would you guys like to earn that for free? So let me walk you through. When you purchase any 6 sets, you will get that Essential Brush Collection for free tonight. Now, if you purchase 4 sets, then you don't get the brush collection, but you get to pick something out of our Glamour bar for free. So the finishing spray or the blending brush, okay? And then, of course, if you pick any 2 sets, you get something from our Glamour bar at half price. All right. So real quickly, what I want you to do is I want you to go back to that profile card. I want you to flip it over to the back, and I'm going to have you number questions 1, 2, and 3 in that pink spot that says for Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant use only. And real quickly, I just want to make sure this is kind of like my report cards. Make sure I did a good job. The first question I want to ask you is, out of all the sets on our Glamour special tonight, what are your top 2 or 3 that you would just love to take home with you? Okay, maybe it's your skincare set. Maybe it's your color set. Maybe you love the eyeshadows and you want more and you want the All About Eyes set. See how I'm giving them some specific examples from the close sheet. It's question 1. Okay, guys, question number 2. I don't know if you remember me saying a few times tonight, this is your first of a few free appointments. In fact, you get 2 additional free appointments with me. And so, I want you to write down what's more interesting to you, spa or Glamour? Spa's a lot of fun. We do a lot of skincare and masks and special supplements, but my next Glamour class we're teaching, it's all about brows, baby. Wow, brow night. It is going to be so much fun. So yeah, if you'd like to do another Glamour class, put Glamour down. If you'd like to do more spa, put spa. That's question number 2. And then last but not least, question number 3. This is kind of the crazy question. I know you've never thought about doing Mary Kay. You probably did not come tonight thinking you wanted to open your own business. But, on a scale of 1 to 10, where do you think you fall in maybe having fun in doing what I do? 1 is like, no way, never. I can never do what you do. 10 is like, you know what? I can use some extra cash, and this seems like a lot of fun. We should talk. I'm not saying I'm going to sign up, but I think I want some more information. That's a 10. All I ask is don't pick a 5, because that's the weenie number, and none of you here are weenies tonight. All right, that's my 3-question close. I do that while we're all together, right after we're done with the hand facial, going through the specials, 3-question close. Then I clean up their trays, and I put out the brow gels if I have it, because I might say, guys, in case you want a sneak peek of the brow class, here's our brow tints. Go ahead and try some tonight if you like. At our next appointment, we'll give full instruction. It'll be awesome. Okay, super cool. Okay, that's, I just, like, see how I'm teasing, I'm getting the next thing. I'm always leaving them a little something. I don't want to do too many things that overwhelm them and shut them down. Okay. And then I clean everything up, and then that's when I move into the individual consultations. And I make sure I have a catalog for myself, I have a close sheet for myself, and I'm going to walk through those 3 questions. I'm going to say, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You put down that you love the skincare set and the Glamour set. That's awesome. Well, what were you thinking you'd like to take home tonight? It's just that laid back and just that easy. Oh, I see you put down Glamour. That's fantastic. Wow, brows, is that what you'd like to do? Or would you like to focus on something a little different? Okay, great. Well, we're in the month of October, so would you like to hold it in November or December? What are you thinking? Great. Well, here's what I have open in December. I have Wednesday or Saturday. You know, I give them choices, I book them. And then I look at question number 3 and I say, oh my gosh, you put it 2. How exciting. I thought for sure you put like a -50. That's so cool. Tell me why a 2 and not something lower. Well, I would just love to pick your brain about our business. I might send you a quick little video. I'm in a training challenge just for watching the video and giving me some feedback. You actually helped me with my training and you get something free and so do I. So I'll go ahead and text you that video if that's okay. See how easy that is? That's how you close. That is so how you close. So anyways, I hope that helps. I hope that gives you confidence on your second appointments, your next best step. Guys, the number one thing, watch a consultant, watch me, listen to this video over and over, get my verbiage, make it your verbiage, just do it. The only way you're going to grow your business is by doing it, right? You can study and practice all you want, but the best way is to get out there and play with the product on people's faces, make mistakes, make friendships, and have fun. And I know you will be so proud of your results. Now, don't forget, on your way home, if you haven't watched the video on what to do after the party, check that one out because that's going to give you my simple 8 steps. That's going to help you grow a customer base and be effective without having tons of paperwork. You'll love it. All right, guys, have a great night. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you soon.